The Igbo people survived the civil war that raged between 1967 and 1970, and that devastated their land and reduced their population because of more than 3 million deaths. They were confronted with the challenges of beginning life afresh, from scratch with almost nothing. The war devastated the Igbo people and their land, with many forced to start life from scratch with almost nothing. Before the war, many Igbos converted their funds to the Biafran currency, which was later deemed worthless by the Nigerian government. The Nigerian government imposed the £20 flat rate policy to control the economic recovery of Igbos, who were seen as the former Biafrans. This was a deliberate measure to ensure they could not recover from the war's devastation. The policy prevented Igbos from regaining the wealth and capital they had before the war, forcing them to start anew with the insufficient funds. After the Nigerian and Biafran Civil War, Igboland faced widespread destruction and was in dire need of reconstruction, with the government implementing policies that marginalized the Igbo people and perpetuated economic disadvantages, such as the £20 flat refund policy. Despite these challenges, the Igbo people demonstrated immense resilience, becoming the most successful, influential, and developed ethnic group within and outside Nigeria. During the Nigerian and Biafran War of 1967 to 1970, many major Igbo cities and towns were destroyed by the Nigerian Federal Forces, leaving the infrastructure of Igboland, the homeland of the Igbo people, in ruins. Specific cities like Portharcout, Umuahia, Awka, Owerri, Onitsha, Aba, and Enugu experienced destruction and devastation. The war led to the demolition of many homes, schools, and hospitals, and the destruction of even wartime technological innovations like the Uli Airport. Despite these temporary challenges and delay, Igboland, through their resilience and productive and industrial spirit, has become the most developed region in Nigeria after Abuja and Lagos, which was former Nigerian Federal Capital. In this video, I will take you through all the Igbo major cities for you to see how developed Igboland is. It is time to tell our own stories by ourselves. Number 1. Owerri. Owerri is often described as one of the most beautiful cities in Nigeria, renowned for its vibrant nightlife, enjoyable entertainment, and a blend of class and comfort. Particularly in areas like New Owerri, the city features clean roads and green environments. Though experiences vary, and it is a center for hospitality, with a bustling social and cosmopolitan scene. Areas like New Owerri are known for clean roads, trees, and a green environment, contributing to a serene atmosphere. Owerri is celebrated for its lively nightlife, with the entire city lighting up at night, creating a fun and active atmosphere. The city boasts growing infrastructure, attracting visitors and residents with its modern developments. Owerri is considered a place of merriment, and visitors often describe it as having a clean, interesting, and welcoming atmosphere. Owerri is known as Nigeria's enjoyment capital and a hub for entertainment, hotels, and restaurants with a thriving social scene. The city is developing a cosmopolitan lifestyle that attracts many people, especially with its luxurious hotels and estates. Owerri is the capital city of Imo State in Nigeria, set in the heart of Igboland. It is also the state's largest city, followed by Olu, Okigwe, and Ohajiebema. The Owerri slogan is Heartland. It is also called the Las Vegas of Africa due to the nightlife of the city and the numerous hotels, casinos, and leisure parks all over the city. Enugu is a moderately developed city and state, recognized for its historical economic significance due to coal mining, and is currently undergoing rapid growth and transformation, driven by a focus on investment, infrastructure, development, education, and economic diversification. Key areas of development in Enugu include improving transportation, attracting private investment, and expanding the service and ICT sectors. Enugu was the capital of the old Eastern region, the former Biafran capital, and later East Central State. They suffered huge destruction during the Nigeria and Biafra War of 1967 to 1970. Despite the Civil War's total destruction of the city, Enugu has today metamorphosed into a highly developed city and one of the most developed cities in Nigeria. This shows the resilient spirit of an Igbo man. I hope this video has exposed a lot of lies told over the years about the underdeveloped state of the Igbo region of Nigeria. Despite lack of federal presence in the southeastern Nigeria, Igbo people had continued to make their land beautiful and conducive for human habitation and tourist attractions. Abakaliki, the capital of Ebonyi State, an Igbo city, is a rapidly developing city. The city is characterized by significant infrastructural growth, with new roads, flyovers and buildings, and a burgeoning economy focused on agriculture and commerce. The city is experiencing a transformation with new urban planning, a developing cultural scene, and infrastructure projects like airport construction, making it one of the most developed state capitals in Nigeria. Umuahia, the capital of Abia State, an Igbo city, is considered beautiful for its rich cultural heritage, offering authentic experiences and its strategic location as a market center for agricultural goods like yams and citrus fruits. Visitors can experience its unique post-colonial history and enjoy local events and festivals. As the capital of Abia State, Umuahia is a hub of cultural richness, providing a glimpse into authentic Igbo life. Umuahia carries the weight of its post-colonial history, including its involvement in the Nigerian and Biafran Civil War. During the Nigerian and Biafran Civil War, the city was highly destroyed by the Nigerian forces. As God may have it, due to the resilient spirit of the Igbos, Umuahia has today become one of the most developed cities in Nigeria. Aba is an Igbo city in southeastern Nigeria. It lies along the west bank of the Aba River and is at the intersection of roads leading to settlements such as Portharcout, Owerri, Umuahia, Ikota-Ekpene, and Ikota-Abasi. Aba is known as a vibrant commercial powerhouse and the China of Africa for its thriving markets, entrepreneurial spirit, and significant local manufacturing of textiles, leather, goods, footwear, and cosmetics. Key features include Harcourt International Market, one of the West Africa's largest markets, alongside cottage industries and a growing economy. The city also has historical significance, notably for the 1929 Aba Women Riots, a major protest against British rule. Aba is a hub for large-scale and cottage industries, specializing in the local production of textiles, garments, leather products, footwear, and cosmetics. The city boasts several bustling markets, including the famous Harcourt International Market, a major center for trade and commerce in West Africa. Aba has a long-standing reputation for its entrepreneurial spirit, and it is a beacon of innovation and business activity. Portharcout, an Igbo city, originally known as Onitsha, is the capital and largest city of Rivers State in Nigeria. It is the fifth most populous city in Nigeria after Lagos, Kano, Ibadan, and Benin. It lies along the Bonny River, and it is located in the oil-rich Niger Delta region. Portharcout is a significant industrial and oil-dependent city in Nigeria, considered the country's most developed and metropolitan area after Lagos and Abuja. Due to its role as Nigerian oil capital and the oil hub of Africa, it has experienced rapid economic and population growth. Awka, the capital of Anambra State, an Igbo city, is a well-developed city experiencing significant infrastructural upgrades and the emergence of new urban projects such as the Awka Millennium City and Awka New City, designed to provide modern amenities and sustainable urban living. While major progress is being made, The rapid growth and urban sprawl have also created challenges, including inadequate infrastructure to keep pace with the growing population, leading to issues like erosion, flooding, and sanitation problems. Awka is one of the most developed cities in Nigeria. Onitsha is an Igbo city located in Anambra State. Onitsha is a highly developed commercial, educational, and religious hub in Nigeria. Recognized for its massive markets like Onitsha Man Market, which is the largest market in West Africa. Onitsha is a highly developed commercial, educational, and religious hub in Nigeria, recognized for its massive markets like Onitsha Main Market and its economic importance. Onitsha Main Market is the largest market in West Africa. Onitsha City is undoubtedly the only city in Nigeria with the highest number of story buildings. Onitsha is a leading commercial center in Nigeria, attracting people from other regions and hosting the largest market in West Africa. The city contributes significantly to the economy of Anambra State, with its market generating substantial revenue and supporting other sectors like banking and transport. Asaba. Asaba, an Igbo city, the capital of Delta State of Nigeria, is considered a beautiful and thriving city due to its scenic location on the Niger River. Its well-planned urban landscapes, clean environment, and good infrastructure, including a well-managed road network. It blends rich history and vibrant culture with modern amenities, offering natural splendor, economic opportunities, and a range of attractions like parks, a cinema, and its status as a Nollywood hub. This shows the resilient spirit of an Igbo man. I hope this video has exposed a lot of lies told over the years about the underdeveloped state of the Igbo region of Nigeria. Despite lack of federal presence in the southeastern Nigeria, Igbo people had continued to make their land beautiful and conducive for human habitation and tourist attractions. Alaigbo is great. If you like this video, please help us by subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates.